broiler skin. They're also selling broiler skin. Even 46,900 per kilo. This is expensive than meat. Meat is 34,900 per kilo, and skin is 46,900 per kilo. And look at this leg, 34.9.